All right, today we're making a video on adding essential oils, good smelling essential oils, to our air filter of our vacuum cleaners. So modern day vacuum cleaners, best that I know, they have this HEPA filter attached to the top of the canister, the dirt collection chamber canister. So your dirt enters in through here or through here, respectively, which connects to the hose, yada, yada, yada. You know how vacuum cleaners work. Well, dirt comes in here, and then the air gets sucked up through that middle part, and then usually hits a filter. So in this case, that's what this HEPA filter looks like. And then in this vacuum cleaner, which I like a lot, this is a Hoover Air cordless lift. Not that I'm plugging any of these products. Just telling you that I like it. So I cleaned this one earlier today, and I gave it the recommended wash. It says wash every 6 to 8 uses. Unless you are from the Appalachia area, then you'd say wash every 4 to 6 uses. So in this instance, I cleaned it and washed it out, or washed it, and not on the side that collects the dirt. I put it on the side. Let me get it from rolling away. I put it on the side that hits the exhaust and comes out of and into the air of my room that I'm vacuuming. So the idea is, this is the side that says clean. You can tell one side's cleaner than the other. This side is fresh air, this side is dirty air. So on the fresh air side, I already did this earlier, but you would take 4 to 6 drops of your favorite essential oil. So my 2 favorite choices are lavender and lemon. Doesn't matter what company you use, because neither one of them are paying me, so I don't really care. So I'm just going to put 4 to 6 drops in there. I'm not going to take up all your time, so it's 4 to 6 drops. Boom, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then just add the taste, so to speak. So that's that. The end goal here is we want the air that comes out of our vacuum to smell really good, without having to add any extra chemicals or whatever to your carpet. So we all have pets, we all have feet, we all have dead skin falling off of us and into the ground. We all, fart and whatever else that makes the ground smell gross. And so we want that air that's getting sucked up with all that dirt and the dander and the dead skin and boogers to all smell better. So that's the whole point of this video. Maybe I didn't explain it at the beginning. So now you know what we're up to. We're making our air smell good by adding essential oils to our HEPA filters. So that's that. I hope this video makes your air smell better. If it doesn't, this video is free. I don't care.